Dr. Don Sisk. Told a story about this woodpecker pecking away at this wooden utility pole. And he pecked and pecked and pecked for hours and made very little progress. But then all of a sudden, the storm came through and lightning struck that pole and broke that pole in two. And the woodpecker flexed his little wings and said, "Look what I have done." Hey, that's the way we deal with success sometimes. We say, "Look what I have done. What I have accomplished. Look what I have achieved." But not once did Isaac take any praise or any glory for what he has achieved. He gave God full credit for overcoming the strife. Folks, if we want to maintain a godly testimony during moments of achieving victory over strife, we need to make it all about God and God alone.